If you are working on a Word document full of comments, and you are trying to print out the entire document with all of the checked comments, here is a quick way how to do it. Once Word is open with a document to print, all you have to do is go to the Review tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the Show Markup button. Turn off everything except comments. You can only turn them off one at a time, so you'll have to do the previous step and this one several times to turn off all the options except comments. When you're finished, only comments should have a check mark next to it. Next is go to File, then select Print. Under the settings, click the drop-down menu next to the Print All Pages. Select List of Markup. The Print Markup option at the bottom of the list should be checked as well. If it's not, select it too. Choose your printer as you normally do, then click Print. Always remember, have fun and enjoy the process. Frustration leads to errors and non-remembering. And if you have any recommendations, please put them in the comment sections below. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.